Welcome to beautiful Baldridge Marina on the southwest corner of Lake Lanier in Cumming, Georgia. Today I'm going to be showing you our brand new 2020 state-of-the-art Sea Ray 21 SPX. The 210 is one of the most popular boats, not only because of its space, but also because of its performance and luxurious accommodations. This particular model was built with the optional onboard battery charger. And as we step aboard, you'll notice that it has snap-in sea deck as well as the sea deck on the swim platform. The boat has hinged seats in some of the key areas where we have insulated cooler/storage as well as dedicated cooler storage area. The boat itself does come with a easily deployed rear-facing seat so you can watch the kids swim, and it folds down very easily. Access to the engine compartment, again, simple gas-assisted shocks. We do have an engineered heat shield to take care of the 250 horsepower that this fuel-injected Mercury provides. This particular model does come with the optional elevated ski tower and water sports. The bow of the 210 was designed to give you cushioned rear-facing seating as well as two very comfortable forward-facing lounges with stainless steel grab handles and cup holders throughout. And like every Sea Ray that has been built and will continue to be designed, the 210 SPX affords you an extremely comfortable and solid captain's chair with a flip-up bolster, easy access to your shifter, tilting steering wheel, as well as all of the analog gauges that you'd care for. Come on down today to Baldridge Marina. See me, Richard Hunter. I'll be glad to take you and your family on a VIP ride on our brand new 210 SPX.